If you've used Arc, you know it reimagined the browser, sidebar tabs, spaces, and a clean user interface. But now there's Dia, a new browser that asks, what if we strip that down even further? Let's compare Dia versus Arc. What's changed and which one fits your workflow better? First, interface and design. Arc is sleek but full-featured. You get a sidebar, pin tabs, easels, notes, and a library of tools. Dia takes a different approach. Minimalism. No tabs, no sidebar clutter, just cards inside workspaces. Second, tab and workspace system. Arc uses spaces to group your tabs, great for organizing projects. Dia replaces tabs entirely. Everything is a card, a web page, a note, or a saved view inside a workspace. Third, performance and privacy. Arc is smooth but heavier. It syncs across devices, integrates with your Google account, and has an evolving ecosystem. Dia is offline first. It saves your content locally, no account required, no sync, but more control. So what's changed? Dia removes complexity, Arc adds features. Dia is for depth and focus, Arc is for control and flexibility. If Arc feels like a digital studio, Dia feels like a clean desk with one task in front of you. Both are pushing the browser forward, just in different directions.